Let's continue working with the verb to be in German, which we started in our last lesson. To be in German is sein. To be, sein. To be, sein. To be, sein. Note the pronunciation, sein, sein. In our last lesson, we learned how to say I am, which is ich bin. In this lesson, we are learning how to say you are, using the informal you. So you are, using du, the informal you in German is du bist. You are, du bist. You are, du bist. You are, du bist. Nice, nett, nice, nett, nice, nett. You are nice, you're nice. Put it all together. Du bist nett. Du bist nett. Du bist nett. You are nice, you're nice. Du bist nett. You're nice. Du bist nett. Friendly, freundlich, friendly, freundlich, friendly, freundlich. Brave, mutig, brave, mutig, brave, mutig. Funny, komisch, funny, komisch, funny, komisch. Here's a mini challenge. Can you guess the answer before I show it to you? To be. Sein. You are, the informal you. Du bist. Nice. Nett. Friendly. Freundlich. Brave. Mutig. Funny. Komisch. Happy, FROH. So here's another suggestion. Keep playing this part of the video until you can guess all of these answers before I show them to you. Okay, so now let's review what you've learned. To be, sein. If you want to say you are, du bist. If you want to say you are nice, du bist nett. You are friendly, du bist freundlich. You are brave. Du bist mutig. You are funny. Du bist komisch. You are happy. Du bist froh. Alright, to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. Bis bald!